So coming to our next practical, our first practical was to prepare and submit 20 ml of simple syrup as per Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia specifications. Now we are moving on to our second practical, that is to prepare and submit 20 ml of calamine lotion. So coming to the formulation table, these are ingredients and official formula. Our first ingredient is calamine, that is our main ingredient, and calamine is basically used for protection of skin from the UV rays, and other chemicals or reactants are excipients that are going along with the calamine to prepare the calamine lotion. So the ingredients are calamine, zinc oxide, bentonite, glycerine, liquefied phenol and sodium citrate. These are quantities mentioned as per official formula, and we have calculated for 20 ml. So let me explain the procedure for preparing calamine lotion. First of all, we have to take mortar pestle, and the mortar pestle should be completely dried before using it. And first of all, we will take weighed quantity of calamine, zinc oxide and bentonite into the mortar pestle, and thereafter we will prepare a solution of sodium citrate, that is 0.5 grams of sodium citrate in 5 ml of distilled water. So after preparing this solution, we will now add around 0.1 ml of sodium citrate solution to the above mixture of calamine, zinc oxide and bentonite. After triturating it for 1 to 2 minutes, now we will add glycerine and liquefied phenol as per the mentioned quantity. So now I will take you to the practical. These are our chemicals for second practical, that is calamine, zinc oxide, bentonite, trisodium citrate, phenol and glycerol anhydrous, that is also known as glycerine. So our first component is ready, that is sodium citrate solution. Secondly, mine is weighing, that is 3 grams. While weighing, you should keep in mind that you should always use butter paper, and all the fans should be switched off while weighing, so that you can get accurate measurement and no fluctuations in the weight can be seen. Here we have to measure 3 grams. So let's see. So we are now putting calamine in the mortar pestle. So now we will measure our second ingredient. This is zinc oxide, that is getting weighed. Our second ingredient, zinc oxide. This is bentonite, that is 0.3 grams. Measure 0.1 ml of sodium citrate solution. Now we are putting sodium citrate solution in this. Now we will stir this mixture. So now we are mixing all ingredients in clockwise direction. So after some time, our calamine lotion will be prepared. You can see this pink color. This is because of calamine that is acting as sun protecting agent. You can see this is our calamine lotion. Let me show you by scratching our calamine lotion. This is our calamine lotion. We can also apply on the skin, only a little portion of the skin, because it is not tested and so it will harm your skin. So just apply a little bit on the skin to check the consistency of this calamine lotion. So before the consistency was not as required. Now you can see it is lotion, so the consistency should be slightly liquid. So it is liquid and it is finely prepared. Now we will pour it into a beaker. This is our calamine lotion that is prepared.